Mark Zuckerberg was once one of the most hated men in America. Being a billionaire didn't shield him from the potential consequences of widespread public hatred. In America, prosecutors, judges, and elected officials often seek to gain favor with the public by targeting individuals who are widely disliked. If enough people despise someone, these officials may go to great lengths to bring that person down, including finding ways to imprison them. The U.S. legal system has numerous laws making it easy to accuse someone of a crime. The average person unknowingly commits 3 felonies a day through mundane activities. This environment means that someone like Mark Zuckerberg, with many people eager to see his downfall, must repair his public image to avoid serious repercussions, including fines, regulations, or even imprisonment. Mark Zuckerberg seems to be succeeding in this effort. He has become somewhat likable, with trends like Hot Zuck Summer reflecting his improved public perception. However, this is not his first attempt to rebrand himself. He has tried various personas in the past, including presidential candidate Zuck, philanthropist Zuck, and meat-smoking Zuck. Each of these previous efforts failed quickly. Initially, Zuckerberg's public persona was bland and uncharismatic. He then tried to adopt a rebellious bad boy image, but found limited success. He also tried to appear relatable by showcasing his interest in smoking meats, which came off as awkward. His attempt to portray himself as a down-to-earth farmer was undermined by his controversial legal actions in Hawaii. His efforts as a philanthropist seemed superficial, and his apologies for Facebook's scandals often lacked follow-through. The latest and most successful rebrand is what can be called Alpha Zuck. This new persona includes engaging in extreme sports and MMA, building off-the-grid homesteads, raising cattle, and making appearances on popular podcasts. These activities help humanize him and align with current social media trends. He is also engaged in public conflicts, notably with Elon Musk, which portrays him as bold and unafraid. This new persona works because it strikes a balance between authenticity and careful crafting. By showing a more dynamic and human side while still aligning with popular cultural trends, Zuckerberg has managed to soften his image. This version of Zuckerberg appears genuinely happier and more in touch with himself, which resonates better with the public. Key takeaways for aspiring public figures include the importance of humanizing oneself, showing interests outside of work, carefully curating flaws, staying authentic, and aligning with cultural trends. Mark Zuckerberg's journey from being widely hated to more accepted demonstrates the power of strategic rebranding. By carefully crafting his public image and showing a more human side, Zuckerberg has managed to navigate the complex landscape of public opinion and improve his standing. In his early years, Zuckerberg was known for his awkwardness and lack of charisma. He created controversies at Harvard with his site FaceMash, which compared students to farm animals. As Facebook grew, so did the public's distrust and dislike of Zuckerberg. Scandals such as the 2014 revelation of psychological tests on users without consent, the 2016 election controversies, and the Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018, along with accusations of enabling genocide in Myanmar, severely damaged his reputation. Despite numerous apologies and attempts to appear more relatable, Zuckerberg struggled to repair his image. His awkward public appearances and strange behaviors, like surfing with excessive sunscreen, didn't help. The turning point came with his new Alpha Zuck persona, which combines elements of strength, health, and masculinity with a more laid-back and relatable image. Zuckerberg's involvement in extreme sports and MMA, his appearances on podcasts, and his promotion of traditional lifestyles and controversy are all part of this rebranding effort. This approach resonates with current social media trends and helps him appear more human and authentic. Moreover, Zuckerberg's new image includes showcasing his interests outside of work, such as raising cattle and building homesteads. This not only makes him seem more relatable, but also aligns with popular cultural trends. By engaging in public conflicts, such as challenging Elon Musk, Zuckerberg further establishes himself as a bold and unafraid leader. The success of this new persona lies in its balance between authenticity and careful crafting. While it is clear that Zuckerberg's team has put a lot of effort into shaping this image, it also appears to be rooted in his genuine interests and personality. This authenticity makes the rebrand more convincing and effective. For those looking to improve their public image, the lessons from Zuckerberg's journey are clear: humanizing oneself, showing interests outside of work, Carefully curating flaws, staying authentic, and aligning with cultural trends are all crucial strategies. By following these principles, public figures can navigate the complexities of public opinion and improve their standing. In summary, Mark Zuckerberg's transformation from one of the most hated men in America to a more accepted public figure demonstrates the power of strategic rebranding. Through careful crafting and showing a more human side, he has managed to navigate the complex landscape of public opinion and come out ahead.